Hi, I'm Adrian and I just finished my first year of university. So listen up. It's Coachella season and you're probably like, Adrian, why are you bringing up Coachella season? Were you even gonna go in the first place? No. For one, I am a broke student. Two, I had finals during the Coachella weekend. And three, it doesn't matter because we're all in quarantine. So, in spirit of the festival season, I will be making my own Coachella outfit. So this is the plan. Even though I'm only making one outfit, I decided to sketch some ideas last night just to test out some prototypes. I wanted to base my outfits off of one of Elias Riotti's outfits. I really like the silhouette of this outfit. I like how it's fitted on top and a little baggy on the bottom, but I ultimately decided in making outfit number one. So I'm gonna be making a Sherpa type bucket hat, a utility vest with the same material as the bucket hat, and patchwork jeans. You're probably also asking, Adrian, how are you gonna make these outfits? Well, I have a sewing machine, courtesy of my aunt. Just a disclaimer, I am by no means a professional, what do you call them?
Sewer?
A sewer, a seamstress, a seamster, the hell? I'm not a professional is what I'm trying to say. But I do have some experience. So recently I sewed darts. I sewed darts on these pants because they were a little too big, but they turned out really nice. And it fits me well. The other thing that I sewed recently was, I didn't really sew it, I embroidered it, which is a different thing, a completely different thing. But you know what? Call me by your name. Alright, so it's day one. I'm gonna be making a bucket hat from scratch. The material that I'm gonna be using is this robe that I found in my basement. I don't know where my mom got it or my dad, but you know what? No one's using it, so might as well, right? So I'm using this. I am using this seam ripper. It's kind of sad because the handle broke off, so I have to work with it like this. This is kind of hard. Ugh.
Oh, to see without my eyes.
Wait. I did it. Wow. Crazy. So I'm gonna be using a tutorial by this YouTuber, and they provided a template, but my printer does not have ink. So what I did was I took my laptop and I detached the screen, because it does that apparently, and I basically just put the template to scale and I traced over it.
Bitch, I know I can do that in my sleep. When I wake up, I need to quench my thirst.
I'm exactly the same. I have to like quench my thirst when I wake up. So this is the template that I'm using. Honestly, I compared the brim template to my actual bucket hats and I feel like the brim is too big. It gets too wide. So I might have to make it smaller. I don't know. We'll see. With sewing, I started off by pinning my patterns onto the fabric and then cutting it out.
Do you love me as much as I love you? Yeah. Would you lie to me, baby? It's the truth that's...
So I ordered sewing pins from Michaels, and I came earlier for curbside pickup, but they said it wasn't ready, so I'm using needles. It's pretty dark now, but I have all of my pieces ready and laid out. I'm ready to sew. Why is the top too big? What? Okay, now I'm confused. the mind of a mastermind. So I already messed up. So I sewed along this line for the brim when I was supposed to sew down this line. Whatever, it's fine, it's fine. Yo, that's kind of sick. Okay, so it's the next day. Here's the hat. I made it a little too big. But you know what? We're gonna make it work because it looks good anyway. Now I'm gonna call my friends to see what they think. Good morning.
Oh my god. That actually looks really good.
I kind of messed it up though. It's so big.
Oh, I think that it looks good.
Really?
Yeah.
Good morning. You're not even gonna say anything about it?
I said, is that a new bucket hat?
No, I made it.
For real?
Yes.
Wow. What the? Yeah, I like it.
I made it.
No fucking way. We're that's the pool that's drip down. Summer time, baby. Have fun.
Alright, thanks. See you, buddy.
Oh my gosh. It's not bad at all.
It's not.
Oh my gosh, but you made that fast. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh, we love talent. What do you want? What do you want?
Look at it. I made it.
All you need is false lashes. Who gave this to you?
Who gave what?
Hat.
I made it.
You made a bucket hat?
Yes. Yeah, I'm making my own Coachella outfit.
Love. Coachella got cancelled. Hi. I thought you were frozen. Okay, hi. So, let's see it. Let's see your progress.
Maria, this is my progress.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Anyways, it looks very nice. The reason why I didn't know that that was what you were making is because it looks so good. I just thought you bought it in store.
Liar. Alright, so today I'm gonna be sewing the vest. I don't know how I'm gonna go about it. I'm probably just gonna follow the same process. So last night I used this vest and I traced it out on wrapping paper to make the pattern. Here it is. Honestly, it's not very accurate, but we'll make it work. I'm probably just gonna follow the same process as the hat. I'm gonna trace it. I'm gonna pin it onto the fabric, cut it out. Is that not sick?
Oh my god, where do I get one?
Put the pieces together, sew, and then finish. Okay, so I took a little break. I worked out, ate, took a shower, and then I went to Michael's to pick up my sewing pins that I ordered, and I bought more thread because the white thread that I was using ran out, and I don't know, I was gonna use black stitching on the outside. I thought it would look cool, but I guess I have white thread now. It's not really white, it's more off-white, but okay, I'm gonna go and change out of this and keep working. So I hemmed You can't even see it. It's so bright. The utility vest that I own has like these little clasp things that make it close. I don't have any of those lying around. So I looked all over my house and I found these. So there's this lanyard and there's this, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna be using it. So basically they're like these little clasp things and they don't match. They don't match, but you know what? Who's gonna see it? Just me. Okay, I almost completely forgot one step. So the little clasp fastener things, I'm gonna sew over them with a zigzag stitch and then a straight stitch and then one of those. I want to put a zipper on this pocket. Okay, this zipper is actually like, it came from an old pencil case. I just finished sewing on the pockets on the panels and that's kind of sick. Like, I still don't know if I should put like flaps going on top like that, but it looks sick right now. Top of the morning, lads. So it's day 3. I finished the vest last night, but I stopped filming because it got dark. But I'm gonna get some people's reactions again. Oh, you're probably wondering why there's like clothes on my bed right now. It's because I am trying to film a TikTok because I haven't posted in days. I keep forgetting. Hey, guess what?
Hi. Wow, very nice, very nice.
Thank you.
Did you work on the jeans yet?
No, I don't. I might have to do that tonight because I'm trying to film a TikTok.
You're done.
No, I'm not done. How do we feel about it?
I like it.
Thank
Wait,
you.
wait. Did you make like the whole thing like from scratch, like the pockets and everything?
Yeah, I like made it from like a robe. Dude, come here.
What bitch? No, you didn't.
Look at it, it has a zipper and everything.
Oh my god, where did you get all of this?
It came from the robe that I used the hat with.
Bitch.
Alright, so it's the last day. I've decided that I'm completely ditching the patchwork jeans idea because I started working on a different pair of pants yesterday for a TikTok and it actually turned out really nice. I'll just walk you through the steps on how I did it. So first I took this pair of Dickies like work pants. A lot of you don't know, but I worked in construction during the summer last year. Fun times. Honestly, maybe I'd do it again, but too late now because I just destroyed these pants. So the inspiration for these pants were Doja Cat, Moo. Basically, I took an old shirt, a black shirt, I cut out little pieces of like the cow pattern, like the little cow patches, and then I zigzag stitched all the way around so that it won't fray, and then I embroidered it onto the pants, and then I embroidered a white outline that's a little off-centered from the patches. This is how they turned out. Very nice. Yeah.
She said, how could you joke at a time like this? I know why, 'cause this is what you wanted all along now, isn't it? I think that all you ever really ever wanted was a reason to complain.
I'm mad.
Why?
This entire time that I was talking to you, it wasn't screen recording. Can you redo your reaction?
Wait, what is that?
Oh, it's a bucket hat that I made yesterday.
Wait, did you like buy that?
No, I made it.
Wait, what? Oh my... How? What? Oh my
What?
god, bro.
Oh my god.
That's
Oh my
crazy.
god, that's crazy.